Miami. The 11th named storm of the hurricane season has developed in the Atlantic. The National Hurricane Center said Tropical Storm Karen formed early Sunday near the Windward Islands. Maximum sustained winds were near 40 miles per hour, 65 kilometers per hour. A tropical storm warning was in effect for Trinidad and Tobago, Grenada and St. Vincent and the Grenadines, suggesting tropical storm conditions are likely in the next 12 hours. The Hurricane Center says a tropical storm watch likely will be issued for Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands, meaning tropical storm conditions are possible in the next 48 hours. Karen was moving toward the west-northwest around 9 miles per hour, 15 kilometers per hour, and a northwest turn was expected Monday. The storm was expected to approach Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands on Tuesday. More from AOL.com. Miley Cyrus and Caitlyn Carter split after a month of dating. Antonio Brown says he will no longer play in the NFL. Kim Kardashian says the last time she saw O.J. Simpson was emotional. Let's block ads. Why?